Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. We're going to be taking this pink shadow and putting it all over our crease, making sure to blend it a little bit higher than usual to really get that smoky effect. Then we're going to be using this purple shadow and we're going to be putting it on top of where the pink shadow was, but just a little bit lower, still on the crease area, making sure to blend in. I also went back with the pink shadow a little bit back and forth, making sure everything is really well blended using both brushes. The next color we're going to be adding is this brown in the palette, and we're going to be putting it a little bit centered also in the crease, just a little lower from where the purple is. We're going to be cutting the crease, and I usually look really high up to leave a mark of indentation to where my crease is cut, and just put it a little more higher. I made my halo look bigger than usual because I wanted more sparkles on the lid. I'm also going to be using a little detail brush. Using the Festival palette by Beige Cosmetics, we're going to be using the color Wicked. Using the color Wicked, we're going to be adding that color on top of where we cut our crease. To intensify the purple shadow, you may use your setting spray on the brush and apply on top of where you cut your crease. I also went back in with the blending brush used with the pink shadow. Using the same palette, we're going to be using the color Solstice and Boho. We're going to be both adding those two colors on top of where the purple shadow was applied in the center to give that little pink reflection in between. I also again went back with the blending brush, adding a little more purple. Next up, we're going to be doing eyeliner. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris eyeliner 24 hours in black, making sure you make sure it's pointed and nice, cute. For lashes, we're going to be using Ardell Lashes. We're also going to top it off with mascara. I'm using Pure Cosmetics mascara in black. I'm making sure to blend my false lashes with my real lashes. Now moving on to skin, I'm going to be using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer as a primer. I've also moisturized prior to adding the primer. To prep my lips, I'm going to be using Vaseline. For today, we're going to be using LA Girl Foundation. The color that I'm using and the shade and all the shades that we'll be using in this video and the products will be down below in the description box. Make sure when applying your foundation, you blend out your foundation all the way down to your neck, beside your ears, because we don't want that demarcation to be visible. I'm making sure to highlight all the important points on my face, so that'll be under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and also a little bit on my cupid's bow and my chin. When blending out your concealer, make sure you use your beauty blender, and make sure also that the beauty blender is damped. When it's damp, it makes it more blendable and more flawless compared to a non-wet beauty blender. As you guys can see, I also decided to do a little bit of a reverse contour using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I'm going to be using this to bronze my face. I'm going to be using it on my cheeks, on my forehead, and also on my jawline to make it more sharper. I'm also going to use the same product to contour my nose. To contour, I'm going to be using e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer. We're going to use the darkest shade in the quad, and I'm going to be taking the powder brush to blend everything out and make it less harsh than it appears. To set all the concealer that we use to highlight, I'm going to be using Mercier, putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, under where I bronze to give the sharp cheeks, and also on my forehead. For blush, we're going to be using Tarte Cosmetics in the color Partyyyy. We're going to make sure to add it in on top of where our bronzer is added to give that little flush of color, not too much. We're going to be adding the pink shadow under our eyes. Also taking the purple shadow, doing the same thing, putting it under our lash line, making sure it blends well with the pink shadow. Taking the setting spray, spraying my brush with the same purple eyeshadow called Wicked from the Beige Cosmetics palette, and taking the pink shadow Solstice, we're going to be applying both colors in the middle of our bottom lash line in the center to match the same reflection as the top. I'm going to be using the same eyeliner used to do my wing liner in my waterline. You can also use a black eyeliner, however I did not have one. So taking a black eyeliner brush with a rounded tip, I'm going to add 3 dotted lines under where my wing liner is created to give that little galaxy look that we're going for. And to finish our face, we are going to set our face using the NYX Dewy setting spray. For highlight, my favorite part, we're going to be using Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter. Love this product. Do you see that glow, guys? Look at that. Glowing to the gods. Make sure that I also apply some on my nose. I used a smaller detailed brush for my nose highlight. I also highlighted my brow bone to make it more glowy, you know? We're gonna glow to the gods. I also took a smaller detailed brush to put some highlighter in my inner tear duct to make it more vibrant in the center. I applied some of the highlighter on the top of my lip. You know, I really went in with highlighter today, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Now moving on to the lip, we're gonna be using the NYX Ombre Lip Duo. We're gonna use the darkest shade to line the corner of our lips. So like all four, as you guys can see right here. Make sure you blend it out. Then going onto the other side, you're going to be applying it near the center of the lips, but not in the center. Because taking the MAC Cosmetics vinyl lip liner, we're going to be lining a little bit above where the brown is and in between the lighter shade that we just applied to make it more purpley so it goes with the eye look. On the top in the center of the lip where we're going to put our color is going to be the color London. We're just going to add it a little bit in the center of the lip. And to top it off, we're going to be adding a clear gloss on top, very glossy. I'm using a beauty supply store clear lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss that you would like. And that is the look. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. Make sure you give a like and a comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.